industry trading. In our last video, we have analyzed the Dwarki Sugar Industries Limited. If you haven't seen that video, just watch the video and post the comment on that. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and support us. In this video, we are going to analyze the PTC India Limited stock. Let's get into the video. This is the company profile of the PTC India. PTC India is a holding company engaged in the business of power trading and investment. PTC India Limited, formerly Power Trading Corporation of India Limited, is an Indian company that provides power trading solutions, cross-border power trading, and consultancy services. It is headquartered in New Delhi. The company also has an operation in Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh as well. Let us get into the price level of the stock. PTC India Limited is currently trading at 46.85. This stock already given the RSI signal to buy this short. Actually, it is already oversold. If you see here, in June, it made a big gap up when they announced the dividend. Actually, they have announced the dividend of 11 percentage approximately. So the next the day after the announcement, the stock already gapped up and it raised from 46.85, this level 46.85 to around 61, actually 62.5. So now the profit booking is going on, and already they have the record date is over for the dividend. So the stock is falling down now, and it's going in the consolidation mode of 46.85, and it's already given the signal through RSI to buy the stock. So it's oversold now, so we can enter into the stock in this time. And here you can see the signal it's giving the buying pressure for the stock. It started already, so you can enter into the stock and you can hold for the short term, and you can choose your right target and exit in the stock. By the way, let us go through the recommendations. Analyst ratings, they have suggested to buy the stock 100%. Three analysts have suggested, so it's a positive sign actually. And holdings of this company, holdings here, promoters have maintained their holdings for last 6 months. Mutual fund holding, they have reduced gradually for the last 6 months. And FII also reduced, DIA also reduced, and other parties, they have increased the holdings. So it's like a kind of negative sign for this holding section. This is a peer value comparison of the stock. So if you see, it's as I mentioned earlier, it gave already the signal through RSI 13.39, and it's currently the RSI level is now in 26.16. So okay, it already given the signal to buy the stock, so you can buy the stock at this time. And when you compare the peer value, uh, Indian Energy Exchange Limited and Ratan India Infrastructure, those are the competitive company for the stock. This is the price forecast for the stock. So we are expecting return of 80.45% from current price level. This is more than the 3 years value. And if you see the forecast, low, medium, and high, everything is on the top actually. Minimum you will get 43.54% of return. This is the forecast we are focusing for the next 2021. So this is the good sign for this. This is the revenue forecast for this stock. As far as the revenue forecast is taken, like it is showing the negative sign here. Minus 19.42% of revenue will be there in the end of March 2021. And this is the earnings here. As earnings as well, it's showing negative sign. It's showing minus 24.95% decrease in the year 2021. Let us see the financial part of the company. The total revenue of the company is increasing from 2017 to 2019. If you see, 15,000 crore, 12,000 crore, again 15,000 crore, and now 18,000 crore. It's a good sign. And EBITDA value is also increasing till 2019, and this year it will decrease to 1,000 848. So we know the current situation. So as far as the current situation is concerned, it's showing some average move in this financial rating. This is the recent news for the stock. The Economics Times, they have announced that power trading solution firm PTC India on Tuesday reported an over 7% rise in consolidated net profit at 100 crore for the June quarter, helped by reduced expenses. The expenses has been reduced now. So due to this reduced expense, they have raised the profit here. Company net profit stood at 93.26 crore in the April to June period of 2019. The year of 2019, the same period, they have the profit of 93.26. However, total income fell to 4,641 crore during the quarter from 5,415 crore in the year ago. Okay. Total expenses also reduced to 4,499 crore as compared to 5,275 crore earlier. Okay, they have decreased the expenses, so the profit also raised here. In money control, for the year ending March 2020, PTC India has declared a dividend of 55% amounting to rupees 5.5 share. At the current share price of 46.85, this result in a dividend of 11.74. Very good dividend they have announced actually. Business standard. In September 14, PTC India Limited leads losses in A group. PTC India tumbled 6.57% to 54.7%. The stock was the biggest loser in the BSE's A group. On the BSE, 3.98 lakh shares were traded on the counter so far, as against the daily average volume of 4.42 lakh shares in the past 1 month. In September 14, we have seen the. Let us go into the chart here. Okay, September 14. See, in the September month, the price has been fallen now. So I expect the price to move upward. Okay, let us see the dividend for the stock. See, this is the total dividend they have given, final dividend they have given actually from the year 2012. If you have seen here, they have gradually increased their dividend percentage. See, 15, 16, 20, 22, they have increased. Now they are giving dividend of 55% actually. It's a, as far as the dividend is concerned, this company is showing a good dividend for the stock. So it's a great positive news. Okay, this is the overall review of this company. So you decide where to enter into the stock, and you can go hold the stock for the long term as well as for the short term. If you have any comments, please post it in the comment box. And if you need anything to be added in the video, just post it in the comment. I will include it in our analysis. And also, if you need me to share or post a video for any of the stock or any of the technical trading, I can post a video on that as well. So looking forward for your comments, and please subscribe the video if you haven't subscribed yet, and support me. Thank you.